Today we are starting exercise 3C. Same thing, you have to find square root only. The first and second exercise now I have showed you that how to find square root by prime factorization method. Now we are finding square root with a different method. It is called division method. So now what is division method? We'll understand. For example, in case if you want to find the square root of 225. Today we are doing exercise 3C. Chapter name is squares and square roots. Two 25 का square root with the help of division method. Now when you are doing division method, students, we have to start from end, from the last, and we have to make a pair. So here definitely pair is always of two numbers. So when I start making a pair, this is one pair. Now here this single number obviously is at the end, whatever is left, you have to take that only. So first is, you will definitely divide into pairs. Starting from the end, the first you will take the two numbers. Then if obviously one number is left, then you will see here the pair is not possible. So we'll start right now that from the end you have to take one pair, and here you have to take a single number because pair is not possible. So now here, the most important part of making pair is that now you have a single number. So you have to take now a square compulsory. You have to take a square in such a way that the square has to be less than this number. That means you have 2. So now if you want to take a square, you start with 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. 2 into 2 is 4. So first we are taking 1 ka square. That was 1, which is less than 2. Then 2 ka square is 4, which is more than obviously 2. So this is not possible. We will go for 1. So 1 is 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. And this pair 25 will come down. Now students, here something different is there. That when you multiply certain number, at the same time you have to add also the same number. So 1 plus 1 is how much, students? 2. Now, what is the last number over here? 5. When here now we will take a certain number, that number obviously you have to take. But this 2 number compulsory you have to take. This is compulsory. Now there is one more number you take. Again when you are taking a new number, it has to be a square. Like in case if I take 1, 2 1 1s are, 2 2 2s are, 3 3 3s are. So now here is 5. So which number ka square we have a unit place as 5? 25. That is 5 ka square is how much? 25. Which number ka square will be the last number as 5? That is 5. 5 ka square is how much? 25. So obviously you know 5. So if I like 5 ka square over here, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, and then 12. So yeah, I'm getting the same answer. So now what I have multiplied? 5, 5, and the same number you have to add. And 25 plus 5 is 30. So students, can you see that the answer is 15? And there is one more way of checking the sum. You just have to double this is the quotient. When you double this, 15 ka double is how much? 30. The answer has to be over here 30. That means your answer is correct. We'll do one more. Now again starting from the end, pair 30. Now tell me any number which has a square less than 30. 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, 6 6s are 36. So obviously 36 is more. So before that 5 was there, the 5 5s are. And then obviously we have to add 5 plus 5 is how much? 10. And now 5 5s are 25. Again 5 2 5. Last number student, what is it? 5. So obviously 5 plus 5 is 25. But here compulsory you take what? 10. So this number you take compulsory, and the required number now you take again 5 over here. 5 5s are 25, 5 zeros are 2, 5 1s are 5. So 105 5s are. And the answer is 0. 55 ka double is 110, answer is correct. So the same way we'll be doing now the sums from the exercise also. We'll start exercise 3C. The first sum, 5 7 6. So now 5 7 6 ka square root we will find. Obviously start making a pair from the end, 2 and your 1. So what is the square which is less than 5? 2. 2 ka square, there is 2 2s are 4. 1, 7, 6 will come down. Now tell me students, what you have multiplied 2, the same number you have to add also. 2 plus 2 is how much? 4. Now the last number is 6. Obviously 4 is 100% there. Along with that last number is 6. Now 6 means which number ka square has the last digit 6. So I can say 4 4s are 16. That means either it can be a 4 or second it can be 6 also, because 6 is also 36. That means 4 is compulsory. So along with this I can take 4 4s are, that is 4 4 16. 4 4 16 plus this 76. Yes, I am getting it. If this, let us say the answer here would not have been 176, then I would have also tried 4 fixed and 6 6 are. That also would have given me 36. But here I got taking what as 4. So 4 4. Students over here, please understand one thing. This 4 was compulsory. Whatever multiplies this 4, 4, and here also 4, and the same number will add over here. So 48, and this is 176. So students understood, whatever number you take, the same number you have to add and multiply. Second sum, 961. You can write over here, square root of 576 is 24. Or also you can write like this, square root of 576 is 24. 961. Students, tell me from where to start? From where to start making a pair? Now 9. So obviously 9 ka to we have square only 3 3s are. So what I multiplied, I have added also 6 0 6 1. Now here students, last is what 1. So 1 ones are 1. So 61 ones are 61 only. So 1. Here also 1. And then plus 1. Zero, 62. So the answer is 62. You can just check students in both the sums. 24 ka double 48, 31 ka double is 62. Then the answer is correct. Now question number 3. 2 ka pair. Now what is the square which is less than 14? 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. So obviously 3 3s are 9. So I have to add the same number. Here what will come students? 9. 40 minus 9 is how much? 5 4 4. Now obviously you have to just find the number with the last, which the square of which we have unit place as what? 4. So now one is 6 will come only, 2 2s are, and one is 6 8 8s are. So 4 not coming, 8 8s are 64, 48 and this, yeah, it's coming. So that means 8s are, and you have to add 8, 6 76, 5 44 0. So you understand students what I am doing continuously? I am just first adding this, whatever number I want. How I come to this number I will take? So I will just see the what? The last required number, the last unit place. If it is 4, so I will just see the square of which number can give me what? 4. So here the option was 2 2s and 8 8s are. Last in both the cases what? 4. I have tried both the numbers and I just see like which number definitely give a proper required number. So yeah, it's 544 something. And the answer is 0. So the square root of 144 is 38. 38 double is 76. Fourth question students. 4489. 4489. Now, yeah, please, can you please tell me now which number I'll be using over here? Which number square less than 44? 6 6 are 36. 7 7 are 49. So obviously 49 is more than 44. Before 7 what was there? 6. Then 6 are 36. I have to add 6. I'll get 12. 44 minus 36 is how much? 8. 8 and then 9. Students, now 9. So which number of class square we can get what? 9 as a unit place. So can I say 3 and then 7? That means 12 to 100% be there. Now either be 3 into 3, 12, or it will be 7 into 7. Because both the cases may, the unit place will be 9. Yes, 127 7 sir. 7, 7, obviously add 7, you get 134, your 889, and answer is 0. 67 double is 134 and the square root of 4489 is 67. Students, I suppose that there is no problem till now. I hope you are getting everything. Fifth part. 6, 2, 4, 1. Again, making pairs 2, 2, 62. The number which is less than 62 will be what? Square of the number which is less than 62. 5 5s are 6, 6 are 7, 7 are 49, 8 8s are 64. 64 is more, the 7s are 7 into 7 plus 7, 14. This is how much? 49. Now how much is left? 13. Everyone understood, students, over here? Now I want last में what? 1. So 14 is fixed, students, over here. Now the 1 ones are or what square का unit digit will be 1. 9 9s are 81. So 9 into 9, 81, 36, 40, 9 ones are 9, and then this. Sorry, 134. So 149 into 9. What do you have multiplied 9? You have to add 9, and the answer is 158. Again, students, you can check 79 ka double is 158, and the under root 6241 is nothing but 79. Question number 6. Part 6. 5476. Pair 54. Before 54, 7 7s are 49 plus 7, 1 4. You get 5 7 6. Students, last number is 6. So 6 का definitely either possibility is 4 or 6. 4 का square or 6 का square. This will be definitely there. Along with this 4 4s I can try first. 4 4s are 16 plus 1 7, 1 4 1s are 4 5. Yeah, it's coming. So 4 into 4. Students, I hope you are understanding it. Why I am taking only 4? Because last number is 6 and 4 ka square also is 16. The last number is 6. That is why. So we have to select that particular number whose square we will get the unit place. So 0. So the answer 74 ka double is 148 and the square root of 5476 is 74. Now students, 7 sum you already try by yourself. I am doing the 8th sum. 7 5 6 9. Pair before 75 the square will be your 8. 8 8s are 64 because 9 9s are 81. So 81 is more than 71. I'll go for 8. Then plus 8. I'll get the answer 16. 64 1 1 6 9. Now last number is 9. So obviously 60 will be there. I can go for 3 or I can go for 7. So 3 3s are or 7s are. 9 4 8 not possible. 9 4 42 46. 7 to 7 11. Yeah, it's coming. So that is 7 7s are plus 7 4 1 7 1 1 1 6 9. Answer is 0. So with this we have finished question number 1. Almost all the parts I have done except for question number 7, part 7 that you have to do. Obviously you can try it because seven squares they all are same. Now area of the square filled is area of the square filled is 7744. Students, I have explained you have given the formula for the area of the square is side square. So that means the side square is 7744. Area of the square is same. So obviously this is same. I can say that area of a square, instead of area of square can I side square, instead of area of square can I 7744. So I have to find the side. Whenever there is a square, we have to take a root. So root will be 7744. Now students, here they are not mentioned. So I can definitely go for any method. But students, few sums may, when you go for prime factorization method, it becomes very tough because certain numbers are prime numbers and they're big numbers. So better, like, you know what, in case if we do with the division method, that will definitely helpful, because whenever the numbers are big also, you will not get stuck. So I'm just doing the division method over here. Nine nines are 81. Before 81 there is the what? 8. 8 eights are 64 plus 8, 16. This is 3, 1, 4, 4. So its last term is 4. So obviously either 2 ka square or it can be 8 ka square. So 1 6 will be same. 2 2s are 34, 3 24, and 1 6 8s are 64. 6 8s are 48. 48 plus 6 is 54. 8 1s are 8 and 1 3. Let's come in. So 8s are plus 8, 1 7 6, 1 3 4 4, answer 0, and hence the what they have asked is the perimeters. So over here we have found sides, students. Over here, what is the perimeter of a square? Perimeter of square. Perimeter of a square is 4 multiplied by side. Reason, students, over here, when I have a square, we all know that all sides are equal. So there are how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 into the side is the perimeter. Now what is the side ka value we have got it as? The square root for 7744 was 88. So obviously 88, and they have not mentioned any units, square meters. So this was meters square, students. So obviously your side will be 88 meters. Why square? Because side square. So meter into meter is meter square. But if it's only side, so it's only meters. So 4 into 88, that is 320 and 32. So 352 is the perimeter of a square.